today I'll share 7 beautiful raita recipes. First I have spinach raita, then comes very beautiful Boondi Raita, and then comes Chutney Raita, a very subtle cucumber raita, mixed veg raita, and then we have potato raita, and lastly but not the least beetroot raita. 7 beautiful combinations with curd. Raita is perfect for any occasion, a must in Indian dishes, a must for any celebrations, and moreover raita has many health benefits, and especially in summer it is preferred by everybody. So in today's recipes what I'll share is 7 beautiful recipes of raita that can be easily prepared in home, and all the ingredients are readily available in Indian kitchen. Give this recipe a try and let me know which raita recipe did you like the most. So Su's Food Corner special 7 summer style raita recipes. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with the recipe. So the base of a nice raita is a very beautiful base of curd. So here I have taken 700 gram curd because I am preparing 7 raita dishes, so approximately 100 gram of curd per raita. Then again it completely depends upon your choice. 100 gram of raita can serve around 2 to 3 people. And so here comes around 700 grams of yogurt, and now I'll just whisk it nicely to make a smooth consistency. So once it's done, I'll add around 1 cup of water to slightly thin it so that this can be used as a nice base. And as I said, again it depends upon the recipe. Roughly I am just telling the amount because actually I am preparing 7 different raitas in this amount. If required, I'll add some little more of water or curd. So this is ready. So first we'll prepare potato raita. It's one of my favorites. So for this raita, I have taken here 2 medium sized potato, boiled, peeled and cubed to bite-sized pieces. This goes inside a bowl. Garlic 3 cloves grated, black salt half teaspoon, white salt 1/4 teaspoon goes in, and to it I'll add 2 green chilies finely chopped. You can alter the amount of green chilies in all the recipes. And here I have taken roasted cumin plus red chili crushed around 1/4 teaspoon. I had already taken 3 tablespoons of cumin, 2 to 3 dried whole chili, and I have just dry roasted them and crushed them to make a powder that I'll use in all the recipes. 1/4 teaspoon of that mixture, and I'll give the potatoes a nice mix so that all the spices coat together, and curd goes around 100 grams. So this I'll give a beautiful mix here, and all the spices with the potatoes will be nicely mixed. So now I'll serve this potato raita, and after serving I'll just add a beautiful tempering. For the tempering I have taken here around 1 teaspoon of oil, and to it once heated I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and dry red chili 1 and few curry leaves, and once it starts to temper I'll add the tempering on this beautiful potato raita, and this potato raita is ready to be served. Beautiful subtle flavors. This is ready. Second raita on the row is spinach raita or palak raita. For that I have taken here around blanched and chopped spinach around 200 grams. So for blanching this I had taken around 250 grams of spinach, washed them and added them to hot boiling water for around 10 seconds. Take them out from hot water after 10 seconds and immediately put it in a cold water or ice bath, and then squeeze out all the excess water and chop the blanched spinach. So this is it. I have added to a bowl. 3 cloves of garlic goes in, 2 green chili finely chopped. Again it is completely optional. Plus minus you can do. Black salt 1/4 teaspoon, white salt around 1/4 teaspoon, and then goes around curd 100 grams. And here I have again cumin and red chili powder crushed, and that goes around 1/4 teaspoon. This gives a very peculiar flavor of raita. And now mix everything. So that the key to a good spinach raita is a perfect blanched spinach, and as I said, you don't need to over blanch it, just for 10 seconds in hot water it's perfect. And then I'll serve it. This spinach raita has complete nutritious value because we have just blanched the spinach, and for garnishing I have added the dry red chili and cumin powder on top of it, and some fresh red chilies goes on top of it. Beautiful, colorful and nutritious spinach raita is ready. Next on my menu is mixed veg raita. This is also known as the biryani raita or pulao raita. So I have taken a 3 tablespoons of chopped cucumber, chopped onion around 2 tablespoons goes in a bowl, chopped tomato 3 tablespoons goes in, chopped carrot goes in around 3 tablespoons, all are finely chopped, and then green chilies goes in. Green chilies amount you can adjust plus minus. Black salt goes in half teaspoon, white salt 1/4 teaspoon, some fresh chopped green coriander goes in around 1 tablespoon, and then curd goes in around 150 grams. Give everything a nice mix, and as I said, you can dilute this raita. If you are using for biryani or pulao, you can dilute this raita and then adjust salt, but I have just shown the specific, the normal one, so it is just semi thick. So this I will serve this veg raita can be used in n number of ways, very flavorful and tasty. And now on top of it goes 1/4 teaspoon of roasted and crushed cumin seeds, simple crushed cumin seeds, not roasted with dry red chili. So this is it, some fresh green coriander on top of it, and our raita is ready. Then comes beetroot raita. So for this raita I have taken here 4 tablespoon of beautiful red beetroot that I have grated. So this goes inside a ball, and to it I will add black salt 1/4 teaspoon, white salt 1/4 teaspoon, green chili 2 that I have finely chopped, and then apart from that goes in fresh green coriander 1 tablespoon, and roasted and crushed cumin, only cumin powder, not the with red chili. Give everything a nice mix, all the flavors will be mixed, and then goes curd around 100 grams to this beetroot, and then again give it a mix, and now there will be a beautiful pink color because of the beetroot. And once I have mixed this, I will serve this beautiful beetroot raita. So this is it, I will serve it now. So in some recipes I have used roasted cumin and red chili powder combined, and in some recipes I have just used roasted cumin powder. Both have different values, you can use accordingly. And on top of it goes some grated beetroot and a beautiful mint leaf. So this is it, my flavorful, tasty and lovely beetroot raita is ready. Then I have very simple yet classic cucumber raita. For this I have used grated cucumber around half a cup. So this goes inside a bowl. Make sure you remove the skin. 3 cloves of grated garlic, black salt half teaspoon, white salt goes here around 1/4 teaspoon, and fresh red chilies. I have used the fresh red chilies. This gives a very typical flavor. If you don't have fresh red chilies, you can use the regular green chilies. That goes in, some coriander leaves, and give it a nice mix. And then after mixing, add curd, around 150 gram of curd goes in. Give this a mix again, and a very tasty and subtle flavor cucumber raita is ready. And now I will serve this beautiful raita. So here I have served this raita, cucumber raita with lovely flavors, and as I said, all the ingredients are readily available in Indian homes. On the top of it goes roasted and crushed cumin seeds around 1/4 teaspoon, and a beautiful mint leaf to complete the presentation. Tasty and delicious cucumber raita is ready. And then I have chutney raita. This is a different style of raita. To make the chutney here, I have blended 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of mint leaves without water. It is very important, you can just add half a teaspoon of water. So after blending, I have 3 tablespoons of the chutney, 2 green chili finely chopped, black salt around salt 1/4 teaspoon, white salt 1/4 teaspoon, and then goes curd. So basically I will flavor this curd with the freshness of mint and coriander. After mixing the curd, add little bit of 1 teaspoon more of this chutney, and roasted cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon goes on top of it. Now give everything a nice mix, and a very flavorful, instantly made chutney raita is ready with all the freshness of mint and coriander. And after serving, I will just add few drops of the chutney, lovely chutney, you can see fresh coriander and mint leaves, all the freshness packed, and I will just make a beautiful design. So this is, for that it is very important, you should make this chutney without water, and some fresh red chilies goes on top of it, and beautiful flavored chutney raita is ready. And then lastly we will prepare Boondi Raita. So for making Boondi Raita, I have taken here plain bundi. I mean it's without any flavoring. I have soaked half a cup of bundi in warm water for 10 minutes, and then I will exclude the water. I mean I will drain this bundi using a strainer, and this bundi will be ready to use. This makes the bundi more softer. And then in a bowl I have taken 150 gram of curd, black salt around half teaspoon, and roasted and crushed cumin seeds goes here around 1 teaspoon, or you can use chaat powder 1/4 teaspoon, either of the two. Fresh coriander leaves 1 teaspoon, or mint leaves 3 to 4, either of the two also you can use. Then goes the bundi that we have strained, and then I will mix everything. and now this bundi won't absorb excess curd because it's already soft. And this Boondi Raita is done. I'll just serve this Boondi Raita. Beautiful flavors, soft pearls of bundi, and then I have served this Boondi Raita. On the top of it I have sprinkled some red chili powder and some roasted cumin seeds goes on top of it. It's perfect. It's looking so beautiful, delicious, soft and tasty Boondi Raita. So you have seen, so easily we have prepared 7 classic tasty raita, and believe me, all the raitas are super packed with all nutritious values of the veggies we have used. Simple, elegant and perfect coolant for the summer days, and all are my favorites. Beautiful 7 different type of raitas with all packed flavors. Give this recipe a try. You will love this lovely raitas. Now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Titiksha Nayak. She writes, I tried this pav bhaji recipe today and OMG, it's exactly tastes like street style pav bhaji. Thanks for sharing all the trick and tips with us. Love from Orissa. Thank you so much, Titiksha, for all your beautiful and lovely words. I am so glad you tried this recipe and you have cared to give such a lovely feedback. Thank you so much. And for today's recipe, do give it a try. I am sure you will love all the beautiful flavors of the raita. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.